Hi, I'm Alex and I'm from the United States.
And I'm Anna from Brazil.
We recently converted this cargo van into our home on wheels to drive all the way to Brazil, traveling slowly and experiencing all the countries and cultures in between. Join us this time as we leave southern Utah after a massive hailstorm and take a brief trip to Salt Lake City before heading west into the desert to build domes out of the earth. So after a freak thunderstorm, all of this hail, or sleet, never really know, looks like it snowed. Now the moment of truth, it was coming this way with the wind. Look at all this. It was hitting the van pretty hard, so I'm worried it's dented. Seemed to be alright. Good stuff. Alright. It's pretty amazing. It was so loud in the van. I'll have to include some of those clips because it was just like you couldn't even hear yourself think. But it was really cool. And we felt safe, which is nice. So, yeah, first big hailstorm in the van. Check it off the list.
Good morning to our friends.
Look at these guys.
They're beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at that course. Never seen one like this.
Hey, do you know where Fifth Water is? Okay, thanks. All right, good morning. Close this. We are starting our day. It's an early drive, but we already finished. Now we're making a coffee, getting ready for...
Hot spring.
And what's the name of the hot springs, you remember? Fifth Water Hot Springs or Diamond Fork Hot Springs. This is one of my favorite hikes that I did when I was living in Utah. And I'm really excited to show Anna because it's going to be fantastic. It's pretty cold this morning, about 40 degrees. So the hot springs will be just fantastic. Hiking girl. Made it to Fifth Water Hot Springs. Amazing place. You have different pools. Some are turquoise, some are blue, some are gray.
They're all hot.
And they're all different temperatures too.
Yeah.
Really nice. Another day, another hike. Almost at Lake Blanche.
What are you gonna say?
It was awesome with our pals, John Moose and Glada. Gotta say that
Yeah, you
accent.
said it
There we
right.
go.
everybody. My name is Ian,
I'm Nicolette.
and this is the Mojave Center.
We are a demonstration site. We teach natural building, natural plasters, and we demonstrate sustainable desert ecology and water harvesting.
We invite people out here to learn the trade of natural building. Right now we focus on dome buildings, but we'll show and showcase an array of different types, from earthship style, straw bale, to other dome sizes. So I hope you come and check us out and get a bunch of dust on your feet and eat with us, and we'll do some fun games in the morning.
Check out our website. We'll launch our spring building season here soon. We'll have a lot of different courses, from plaster parties to dome building, with lots of games and lots of eating. And it's a beautiful way to connect people to the desert, natural building, and yeah, connection through really authentic and meaningful experiences.
Don't forget your sun hat.
In all seriousness, we had an amazing time at the Mojave Center. In addition to meeting some incredible people, we learned a lot. We got our hands dirty as we practiced mixing soil, water, and cement, making earth bags, laying barbed wire, setting door and window forms, the whole 9 yards. Being able to build an entire dome in 8 days was a truly rewarding experience. This type of natural building is super accessible, sustainable, and fun. We even got to throw on a coat of natural-based plaster. The Mojave Center has definitely planted a seed for making this kind of structure in a future off-the-grid project. If you're interested in doing something similar, there's a link to Mojave Center's website in the description.
Abby. Love it. So here we have the 3 phases of plaster. One we just put on, one that's been sitting for a bit. You can see it's a lot lighter. And then I have my favorite, completed white lime concrete plaster finish. Very nice.